Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips M0 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely and effectively replace the battery in your HP Pavilion 15-BC450NS. First, power off your laptop completely and disconnect it from any power source. This is crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during the replacement process. Next, flip the laptop over to access the bottom panel. You will notice several screws securing the panel in place. Using your Phillips M0 screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a safe location. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the bottom panel. Start at one corner and work your way around, being cautious not to damage the clips holding the panel in place. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any screws you may have missed. With the bottom panel removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the battery, which is typically a rectangular shape and connected to the motherboard with a cable. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris inside the laptop using compressed air. This will help maintain optimal performance and prevent overheating. Now disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard by gently pulling it out. Be careful not to tug too hard, as this could damage the connector. After disconnecting the cable, you will find screws securing the battery in place. Remove these screws with your Phillips screwdriver and lift the battery out of its compartment. At this point, if you don't have a replacement battery on hand, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. You can also take advantage of our pickup and delivery at your home service, making it easier for you to get the parts you need without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple and efficient process. Once you have your new battery, place it into the compartment and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the battery cable to the motherboard, ensuring it is firmly in place. This connection is vital for the battery to function correctly. After the new battery is installed, it's time to reattach the bottom panel. Align it properly and press down gently until you hear the clips snap back into place. Replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight, as this could strip the screws. Finally, flip your laptop back over and power it on. Check to see if the new battery is recognized by the system. You can do this by going to the battery settings in your operating system. If everything is functioning correctly, congratulations! You have successfully replaced the battery in your HP Pavilion 15-BC450NS. If you encounter any issues or prefer to have a professional handle the replacement, remember we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.